Welcome to Maths World. Today topic is fractions. So tell me, what is a fraction? For example, if we bought an apple, we want to share it equally with two friends. We need to cut the apple as equal pieces. Okay. If we want to share it with one person, so we need to cut as two equal parts. Okay, two equal parts. So if we want to share it with one person, we need to made two equal parts. If we want to share with three other, we need to made four equal parts, four equal pieces. So means something is divided into equal parts is called a fraction formation. For example, this apple is divided into four equal parts. So each part is 1/4 of this whole. Okay, these parts are, this is a one whole one. Okay, so these parts are four equal parts, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So that is, a fraction means a part of a group of or a whole. Okay, so it's a part in a whole. Okay, so for example, for example, 5/12 is a fraction. Okay, we read it as 5/12. So what does 12 stands for? Which the whole has been divided into 12 parts. Okay, 5 stands for what? 5 stands for which have been or selected. Okay, so here 5 is called numerator. Okay, 5 is called numerator and 12 is called denominator. Okay, so tell me what is numerator and denominator in the following fractions. If we take 7/15, if we take 7/75, these are some examples for fractions. So in this 5 is a numerator and 12 is a denominator. So in this fraction, 7 is a numerator, 15 is a denominator. In this 6/75, 6 is a numerator and 75 is a denominator. So we can show a fraction pictorially. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about how can we show pictorially fractions. Okay, for example, if we take 3/4, this is a fraction. Okay, how can we show pictorially? Means if you take a circle, this is a circle, so this circle is divided into four equal parts. Okay, four equal parts. So if we shade numerator 3, okay, 3 parts are shading. So okay, we made this circle into four equal parts. We are shading 3. Okay, 3/4. This is the pictorial graph, pictorial picture for 3/4 fraction. Okay, if we take 2/8 for example, okay, we can take any shape. Okay, so 8 equal parts means if we draw 7 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, if we draw seven lines, it will be divided into 8 parts. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what is the numerator? 2. So we need to fill up 2 boxes. Okay, this is the pictorial picture for 2 by 8. So for example, if we take 1 by 3, okay, so you can take any shape. Okay, so again we take a circle. So denominator is 3, so we need to make 3 equal parts, and numerator is 1, so we need to fill up 1 part. Okay, next. So for example, if now we are going to write fractions for pictures. Okay, so here some fractions are represented pictorially. So now we are going to write as fractions. Okay, if this is a rectangle, if we divide into 5 equal parts, this is a circle, this is divided into 3 equal parts. For example, if we take a square, so if we divide it into 4 equal parts, so now I am shading 3 parts in this rectangle. So 2 parts in this circle, and then 1 part in this square. Okay, now we are going to write fractions for these pictures. Okay, so total in this circle, total how many equal parts are divided? So 3 equal parts. So write the 3 as denominator, and how many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded, so write 2 as numerator. Okay, coming to this rectangle, how many equal parts we have done? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 write as denominator, and how many parts we shaded? 3 parts we shaded, so 3 by 5 is numerator. Okay, in this square, how many equal parts we have done? 4 equal parts we have done. How many parts we shaded? 1 part we shaded, so 1 by 4 is fraction for this pictorial picture. Okay, and then so next, types of fractions. Okay, what are the types of fractions we are going to discuss? So there are 2 types of fractions. One is proper fraction. So in these proper fractions, always numerator is less than denominator. Okay, numerator is less than denominator. For example, we are taking 1 by 17. Okay, 1 by 17. In this 1 by 17, 1 is a numerator and 17 is a denominator. So what is a proper fraction definition is, if numerator is less than denominator, or denominator is greater than numerator, is called, so 1 is less than 17. Okay, now so this is a proper fraction. Example for proper fractions, tell me. 3 by 4, 7 by 9, 6 by 12, so 4 by 14. These are all proper fractions. What is the condition for proper fractions? If numerator is smaller than denominator, these fractions are called proper fractions. Okay, next, improper fractions. So second one is improper fractions. So what is the improper fraction? Improper fraction means opposite to proper fraction. Means numerator is bigger than denominator. Numerator is bigger than denominator. For example, 17 by 3. This is a fraction at first, but numerator is bigger than denominator. 17 is greater than 3. Okay, so this is a improper fraction. Improper fraction examples. So any fractions you can take. So the condition is numerator is bigger than denominator. So 14 by 3 and 18 by 2, 16 by 5. Any fraction you can take. Condition is numerator is greater than denominator. So now we are going to discuss how can we represent improper fractions pictorially. So for example, so this is a circle, this is also one circle. If we shade fully this, and we are shading half this, okay, so this is a hole, and this is a halfly shaded circle. Okay, this is, how can we draw? How many parts are shaded? 3 parts are shaded. So each circle divided into 2 parts, and total shaded parts are 3. So this is a pictorial form, converting to fractional form. Okay, so we are going to see another example. For example, 6 by 4. Okay, this is a improper fraction. Why? Because improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is bigger than denominator. So now we are going to show this fraction in pictorially. So total how many parts are divided? 4 parts. Okay, we are going to take circles again. So total 4 parts. 4 parts. So how many parts we need? 6 parts we need. So these are 4 parts. In this circle we are taking 2 parts. Okay, this is the pictorial form for 6 by 4. I think you understand. So solve the example. Solve the following for your practice. 17 by 3, 8 by 4, 9 by 3. Okay, 4 by 2. So okay, solve this pictorially. You can need more knowledge and more practice for expression of fractions into pictorial. Okay, so by this we learn that proper fraction value is less than 1. Okay, improper fraction value is greater than 1. Okay, oh, I think you understood what is a fraction, and what are the types of fractions, and how can we show the fractions into pictorially. Okay, later next video we are going to discuss about mixed fraction and addition of fractions. How can we subtract the fractions? Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.